Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best outdoor grill for your next party. The Gas 1 14-inch Portable Barbecue Grill. Whether you're planning a backyard get-together, camping trip, or just a casual cookout on your patio, this compact charcoal grill packs a punch with features designed to make your grilling experience both easy and enjoyable. Right off the bat, the Gas 1 grill impresses with its 14-inch cooking surface, providing 150 square inches of space. This means you have enough room to grill steaks, veggies, or burgers for a small group without sacrificing even heat distribution. Despite its compact size, it's built to deliver consistent cooking results, thanks to its thoughtful design and quality construction. One of the standout features is the 3-point locking lid. This unique lid system not only locks securely in place for safe and easy transportation but also traps heat efficiently. It acts much like a smoker or oven, preserving heat to cook your food evenly. This makes it ideal for those who want to achieve that perfect sear or slow-cooked flavor, all while keeping the grill portable and convenient to move around. Speaking of airflow, the dual venting system on this grill ensures a steady flow of air to the charcoal. This feature helps maintain optimal temperature control, allowing you to keep the fire going without overheating or undercooking your food. Whether you prefer a slow, steady burn or a hot, fast grill, this ventilation system gives you that flexibility. Portability is another key advantage. The grill's lightweight metal frame weighs only about 4 pounds, making it easy to carry from your garage to the backyard, or even take it camping or on a boat trip. Its compact dimensions mean it won't take up much storage space when not in use, which is perfect for anyone with limited outdoor area or those who love to grill on the go. Cleaning up is straightforward as well. The Gas 1 grill includes a specially designed ash catcher located beneath the charcoal chamber. This feature collects ash and residue, preventing messes around your grilling area and making post-cookout cleanup quick and hassle-free. When it comes to materials, this grill is constructed entirely of metal with a powder-coated finish, ensuring durability and resistance to the elements. The red finish adds a splash of color and style, while also providing a tough exterior that's less likely to chip or fade over time. Assembly is required, but the process is simple and user-friendly, allowing you to have the grill ready in no time. This makes it accessible even for first-time grillers or those who prefer a quick setup without complicated instructions. Ideal for intimate gatherings or solo grilling sessions, this grill is perfect for 1 to 2 people, but it also holds enough charcoal and cooking space to serve a small crowd if needed. The warming rack adds extra convenience by giving you space to keep food warm while other items finish cooking. In summary, the Gas 1 14-inch Portable Barbecue Grill offers an excellent balance of portability, efficient heat retention, and ease of use. It's designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want a reliable, compact grill without sacrificing performance. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just hanging out in your backyard, this grill is ready to deliver a great grilling experience every time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your outdoor cooking game with a grill that's portable, durable, and practical, the Gas 1 14-inch Portable Barbecue Grill is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.